Hey guys, Jay Massey here. Welcome back to the channel. And what we're going to talk about in this video is I've got a small little clip. One of the most difficult things to do in the short-term rental world is, well, pricing. So inside of this particular Q&A session, one of our members was asking, hey, how to handle that, how to figure it out, and I wanted to share some tips with them as well as with you. Jenna, do you have a chart to calculate all expenses to determine your bottom line rates? Want to ensure I'm not missing something. Yes, it's not a chart per se, but we went over this inside. So I don't know if you picked up a copy. I don't even know if they're still available, but I'm going to show you anyway. And if they're not available anymore, just tag Dave. He might be able to do something for you, or send a message to Della. But we went over this. That was a 6-hour training just on what we call our no pride pricing, MAP, inside the student group. If you've seen people tagging posts about NPP and MAP, etc., we went over that process, and you can get your, well, if it's still available, you can get your copy at shorttermsummit.com. It's the recordings from the entire summit, plus it includes a bonus additional training that I did specifically answering that question. So pricing, as I've always said, is one of the most challenging pieces of this entire business. In fact, it's what I spend when I'm doing something. That's normally the thing I'm doing, is I'm just changing pricing. So hopefully that makes some sense. What group do we have to be in? Okay, I see what's going on. So the list that I'm looking at right now, you guys, you're in our what I often call our free group. We have a student group for those of us who are participating in the information that we make available. And once you have done that, there's a completely separate group where we have operators from all over the globe who have anywhere from no units, because they just started, up to 100 units, all in there, sharing best practices, ideas, their successes, wins, blah blah blah. You get the idea. So if you hear me refer to a module, it's always inside the materials that I'm referring to, and I'll either say the blueprint or the mastermind, which is the same as phase 1, phase 2, and sometimes you guys ask me phase 3 questions, and that's fine too. So that you know, you update your prices weekly, daily, or if no events. Okay, got it. So we update. Okay, if you're following all the processes that we have in place, all the automation and steps, you will have a system that updates your pricing at three different categories at 3 different times. If nothing happens, every 24 hours it's going to get updated. Like if nothing happens. If a cancellation happens, there should be an update, and if a new reservation or booking happens, there should also be an update. Those are triggers that update your pricing. So if you get, so that your pricing continually adjusts relative to market conditions, weather, flight traffic, occupancy, all that other stuff. So hopefully that makes some sense. If you like information like this, go ahead and hit that like button, because that tells YouTube that more entrepreneurs see us, and definitely hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that the next time we publish more quality content like this, you can be a part. Thanks.